Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about Samsung A15. So let's start. So starting with design. Simple and sophisticated. The Galaxy A15 5G is designed to boast its sleek profile, stylish back cover and pristine camera layout. The glossy back in aluminium looks good. On right side you will see fingerprint sensor and volume up-down button. On left side you will see SIM tray. Now talk about display. The Galaxy A15 5G's 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display enhanced with Vision Booster creates smooth, bright and vivid viewing experiences with up to 800 nits #brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate and a low blur light display for eye comfort. Now let's talk about camera. Go on and express your world. The Galaxy A15 5G boasts a 50MP main camera with VDIS** for your masterpiece, 5MP ultra-wide and 2MP macro cameras for landscapes and close-ups, and a 13MP front camera for profile-worthy selfies. The main thing about a phone is its processor. With impressive processing power, spacious memory and storage options and 5G speed, your device is ready to handle both your workload and entertainment. It is a great processor in this budget. Now let's talk about battery. Stay up and running with a copious 5000 mAh typical battery that recharges with super fast charging * to get you back out on the road. It will run a day. Finally talk about price.
8GB RAM 128GB, 19.499. 8GB RAM 256GB, 22.499.